Hello, good morning, my dear students. We will meet again after 1 week. Okay, so before that, I want to show you some of the images to you and just revise of one of the things that we learned in the previous topic. जो हमने प्रीवियसली सीखा था, जो चैप्टर सीखा था, उसका रिवीजन हम थोड़ा कर देते हैं कि हमने क्या सीखा था. So first of all, the previous chapter name is the parts of the computer. तो डिफरेंट कंप्यूटर के कितने पार्ट्स होते हैं, कौन कौन से पार्ट्स होते हैं, हमने वो सीखा था, राइट. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट देम. फर्स्ट, दिस इज द इमेज ऑफ द मॉनिटर. जहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, दैट इज कॉल्ड आल्सो द स्क्रीन ऑफ द मॉनिटर, राइट. आप कुछ भी वर्क कर रहे हो, इफ यू वांट टू ओपन द एमएस पेंट, यू वांट टू डू द पेंटिंग, इफ यू वांट टू टाइप समथिंग, देन whatever you are doing that will be displayed on the monitor. आप जो भी कर रहे हो, आप इमेज देख रहे हो, वीडियो देख रहे हो, म्यूजिक सुन रहे हो, तो उसके नेम जो होंगे वो सभी कुछ कहाँ पे डिस्प्ले होगा, मॉनिटर पे. यू हैव टू बी कंपल्सरी रिमेंबर दैट थिंग. नेक्स्ट, दिस इज द कीबोर्ड. Keyboard is used for to type something. If you want to write down the name in your pen, in the page, what you do, you are using the pencil or the pen to write down the name on the paper. Like that, if you want to write down the anything, any text, any kind of the sentences, your name also, then you can use the keyboard on the computer. Keyboard is used to type something in the computer. That are the many keys. Number key, here there will be a number keys, alphabet keys, then different function keys. That is also number key is also called the numerical keys. Okay, so you have to remember all the things that you already learned previously. Then CPU, the most important part of computer. कंप्यूटर का सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट जिसके बिना कंप्यूटर वर्क नहीं करता. जैसे कि हमारी ह्यूमन बॉडी है, वी कैन नॉट वर्क विदाउट अवर ब्रेन. Our brain instruct us every time and then we are doing our work, right? So CPU is also work in the computer like as a brain. कंप्यूटर में सीपीयू जो होता है वो ब्रेन की तरह ही वर्क करता है. डिफरेंटली सारे उसके जो कंप्यूटर के जितने भी पार्ट्स होते हैं उनको इंस्ट्रक्ट करता है दैट यू हैव टू डू दिस वर्क, यू हैव टू टाइपिंग दिस. whenever press the A key, then you have to display in the monitor the A. मतलब दैट विल बी अ हेड ऑफ द कंप्यूटर. आप जैसे कि आपके क्लास में मॉनिटर्स होते हैं तो आपको मॉनिटर्स की बात माननी पड़ती है. तो वैसे ही कंप्यूटर में सीपीयू जो होता है एज अ मॉनिटर रहता है जिसकी बात सबको माननी पड़ती है. सो द अदर नेम इज द सीपीयू इज द brain, and the full form of the CPU is the central processing unit. You have to compulsory remember this name. Then main parts of computer, last is the mouse. What is the mouse? Whenever you want to click on the some of the thing, then you can use the mouse. अगर आपको कोई फाइल ओपन करनी हो, कोई पेंट ओपन करना हो, means if you want to open anything or you want to click on anything, then you can use the mouse. Simply, for example, कि आप कुछ वर्क कर रहे हो, if I want to switch on the fan switch, मुझे अपने घर के फैन जो होते हैं उसकी स्विच ऑन करनी है, तो उसके लिए आप क्या करोगे? सिंपल, यू टेल मी दैट मैम आई कैन यूज माय हैंड टू स्विच ऑन द फैन, राइट. And I just go to that and just turn it on the fan switch. Write down like that. You can also on the tube light. Even if you want to turn on the computer, you are using your hand. If you want to do any other work, then you can use your hands. Simply, regularly work. If you want to write something, then you also use your hand. If you want to eat, then you also use your hands. Means without that you cannot work. Like that, mouse also work in the computer. Do some of the work, then we can use the mouses. So let's learn. Today our chapter name is the computer mouse. Today we are going to learn about the mouse in the detail. Mouse क्या है, किस तरह से वर्क करता है, कैसा है, सब कुछ आज हम सीखेंगे कि किस तरह से वर्क करता है. आज नहीं, मतलब थोड़े थोड़े सेशन में उसको हम सीखते रहेंगे. So let's learn about the mouse. We use our fingers to point towards an object to identify it, right? For example, you want to identify that this is the computer, that will be a fan, that is the tube light. Then you are using your finger to point that. आप किसी को भी point करना चाहते हो, कुछ चीज दिखाना चाहते हो. If you want to ask that, yes, that is my friend's mummy, right? Then you are using your fingers. Like that, computer have also one part that will be used to point out something, to use something. कोई भी चीज आपको दिखानी हो, ओपन करनी हो, तो उसके लिए आप यूज करोगे माउस का. Similarly, when we switch on the computer, we use the mouse pointer to point and click the different parts of the screen. You can also use the open some of the thing, or you can use the pointer to see some of the thing in your screen. The mouse pointer is displayed as an arrow on the screen. You can see on my screen also that will be a one arrow on the screen, that will be a color in the black. That will be by default come in the white color, but I changed the color, that's why it will become in the black. When we move the mouse pointer on the monitor also moves. Means mouse जो होता है hand, that will be you hold with the hand. That when you moved it, the pointer also moved on the screen. जो pointer होगा in the shape of the arrow, that will be on the screen, and mouse will be on your hand. माउस आपके हैंड में होगा, उसको जैसे जैसे मूव करोगे तो उस तरह से माउस पॉइंटर भी मूव होगा. For example, you hold the mouse and you moved it on the left side, your pointer will be also moved on the left side on the screen. If you move on the right side, that will be moved on the right side. Top, then it will be goes top, and down, it will be goes down. If you go to the cross also, that will be pointer will be also moved as the cross. जिस तरह से आप माउस को मूव करोगे, उस तरह से पॉइंटर जो होता है स्क्रीन पे वो भी मूव होगा. Mouse is a pointing device that is used to point and select items on the computer screen. If you want to show any of the thing, then you can use the mouse pointer. आपको कुछ भी दिखाना हो, कोई भी introduction देना हो, कोई file open करनी हो, कि for example you want to show that your friend that this is my painting, then in that condition what should you have to do, you have to use the mouse. आप माउस को ऐसे मूव करके उसका एरो भी स्क्रीन पे मूव होगा, तो उसका यूज करके आप दिखा सकते हो आप अपने फ्रेंड को कि ये मेरी पेंटिंग ये रही. इट इज ऑल्सो यूज टू मूव आइटम्स ऑन द स्क्रीन. आपको एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे अपनी फाइल को ले जाना हो, देन आपको कोई पेंटिंग होती है या फिर आपका कोई सॉफ्टवेयर है, एप्लीकेशन है, आप उसको मूव करना चाहते हो अपनी स्क्रीन पे, तो उसको हम मूव कर सकते हैं. These items are called the icons. I will show you that on my screen. Okay, so this is my screen, and you can see that on the screen there are very small icons on the screen. That is my name, that is the my computer, or you can see that this PC also. Network means these are the simple small icons available on our screen by default. By default, दो या तीन icons रहते हैं. If you remove it, then you cannot see that. For example, this PC means this is my computer. For example, you just right click on this with use of the mouse, then you can see the some of the options available. First is the open. If you want to open that, then manage, that is not for you. Just remember that pin to start, whenever you start your computer it will be start automatically. So these are the simple things: create the shortcut, delete, rename the properties, simple options available. I just right click on that and just click on the open. Then you can see that this PC will be opened here and your computer system will be in front of. And if you want to close it, you can also see the pointer. I just moved it and the pointer also moved. Now I want to close it, so you can see the cross sign here. Whenever you click on that, the screen will be closed, the application will be closed here. So I click on the cross sign and you can see the screen will be closed here. अंडरस्टूड द थिंग व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ द कंप्यूटर माउस का हम कैसे यूज करेंगे. देर आर टू क्लिक्स, right click and the left click. In this condition, I request to all the parents, please help your child to identify the left and the right, just because if I'm that I will be show them which one is the left and which one is the right. So I request to the parents, please help them to identify the left click and the right click. Okay, that will be with your hand or left or right. That are two keys that will be learned in the details in the next period, in the next video. And I give you one task that you have to just open the my computer, just right click on that and just click on the open. जैसा अभी मैंने करके दिखाया था वैसे ही आपको भी करना है. You have to just perform that thing with your parents, with the help of the parents. Request to the parents that just help them to open the my computer on the screen that will be available, or other you can also open the other one. अगर कोई दूसरी एप्लीकेशन होती है, कोई फाइल होता है, कोई फोल्डर होता है, तो आप उसको वो भी ओपन करवा सकते हो. Okay, so next time we will meet again with the parts of the माउस के पार्ट्स कौन कौन से होते हैं, कहाँ पे होते हैं, कब कैसे यूज होते हैं, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम वो सीखेंगे. So here I am going to end my video and we will meet again and shoot. Bye everyone, have a good day.